Want to grow your station by adding DJs or hosts? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add DJs to your internet radio station using TTT Radio Network. It's fast, secure, and built for teamwork. What's up? I'm DNA, the owner of TTT Radio Network. If you're building a team, bringing on talent, or collaborating with co-hosts, adding DJs to your station is one of the most powerful tools we offer, and it only takes a few clicks. Adding a DJ is helpful. You're able to expand your content variety, keep your station active 24/7, feature talent from different cities or countries. You're literally worldwide. And then you're also able to take a break. No more being live all the time. Let me show you how to add a DJ. During the onboarding process, you're gonna get your username and password. You're gonna wanna enter it here and click login. It's gonna bring you to your dashboard. On this right side, you're gonna wanna scroll down to DJs. By default, we set you up with an auto DJ for when you upload music, it will automatically start playing music, but we'll get into that in a later video. For now, we're gonna wanna click Add DJ. We're gonna broadcast using a standalone application like Virtual DJ or Butt. You're able to choose a file. You can put an image here, and then you're gonna put your DJ name, click active, add a password. I keep the stream volume at 0. That's just what I do. You're able to save your DJ streams to the server as well. If you wanna do that, click that. And once you hit add DJ, you're good to go. You can go live right away. Keep your team tight. Assign time slots. Create a DJ handbook and use a scheduler to avoid overlap. You can track who's online right from your dashboard. One of our stations added 5 DJs across 3 time zones and now has content around the clock, all from their dashboard. If you're ready to grow your station into a full radio brand, adding DJs is the move. And with TTT Radio Network, it's built into the platform. Like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a full breakdown on scheduling, rotations, or managing multiple DJs. You can contact us today at tttradionetwork.com and start building your station in less than 15 minutes. In the next video, I'm gonna show you how to go live on TTT Radio Network. Don't miss it.